Hi, friends. Let me take you to a beautiful traditional Kerala house in the sleepy town of Ottapalam in Palakkad district. Ottapalam wakes up in the morning to the beautiful, noisy, chirpy sound of birds, myriad birds, surrounded by lush greens. This white structure that you see is this house's personal temple, and it is dedicated to Nagadevta. In this part of Kerala, every house has its own temple. Here, fruits and vegetable trees grow everywhere, arising from the muddy patches with an easy abundance. Here, the fruit trees thrive without any fences, while the scent of their fruits is being carried by the cool breeze. Let me show you some of the nature's bounty here. What we have right here is chiku tree. There are many tamarind trees here. As you can see, this is tamarind getting dried in the sun. Now I will zoom in on this nimbu tree. It's got huge lemons on it. Wait, what is on the side? Can you believe this? The mangoes on the tree in this season. Yes, mangoes in December in Kerala. In Malayalam, mangoes are called manga. This house that you see in the background, a pink color house, it's got huge solar panels on top of its roof. So that's the thing in Kerala here. They harvest their rainwater, they recharge their groundwater, they reuse their water, and they do produce or use solar energy to run their houses. Now, this has got to be the most favorite tree across Indian villages. This is jackfruit, kathal. So that's Harshringar flowers on the ground. This one's got heavenly fragrance. Surprise, surprise, creepy crawlies. That's banana, a bunch of banana with its flower. And those lush greens over there, my friends, are paddy fields. Interestingly, this town is surrounded by mountain ranges. Of course, we all know Kerala is the biggest and largest producer of coconut and related products. Come, let me show you something. This Kathakali mask is made of coir or coconut fiber. Indian gooseberries with medicinal properties grow here in much abundance, and they're all collected and made into pickle. That's bamboo thriving here, and its grooves got snakes in it. Ganpati Bappa for the protection of the fields. That's the heavy duty pestle and mortar. Silbatta for making chutneys. Let me show you the family's own pond. It's got white lotuses in it. Not now, but in olden days it was used for bathing and washing. And here we have papaya growing by the pond side. And that's baby coconut for you. It's so amazing that you just sit under the canopy of trees and listen to the rustling leaves and wish wishing trees. It's just paradise.